Assalamualaikum, bersama aku lagi Haris. Okay, hari ni aku nak main game yang lain daripada lain, iaitu Dream Liga Soccer 2017. Okay, aku tak pernah buat gameplay ni. Ini first time aku buat gameplay ni Okay. Sekarang aku nak tengok transfer dulu. Aku nak beli pemain. Wow, okay, Lionel Messi. Wish. Wih, Lionel Messi lah. Wish, aku memang nak Lionel Messi ni. Memang aku nak beli sangat. Wish, dapat. Okay, kita beli. Untuk pengetahuan korang, aku main hack. Kau tengok dia aku ni. Dia aku gila. 83 juta. Sampai koma letak. Salah letak. Okay, kita nak masukkan Messi tu dalam kita punya first 7. First E. Ialah yang 11 pemain utama dia, kita akan masukkan dia. Messi kita nak masukkan dia ganti Bell tadi. Kita perlu latih sikit lah ni. Dia ni kita latih Messi sikit. Tapi dia kurang speed. Okay, speed kita bagi dia 2 kali lah kita latih dia. Okay, bagi dia betul-betul hebat. Okay, apa lagi tak tahu. Stamina terus. Okay, dia punya fitness. Okay, fitness. Okay, dia stadium aku dah upgrade penuh dah. Dah habis dah semua. Nama stadium aku Super Striker Stadium. Back. Okay. Okay, aku nak tunjukkan. Tengok. Ni lambang aku, lambang tim aku, Barcelona. Tak tahulah kenapa aku tak. Okay, aku suka Barcelona ni. Tengok, Messi pun dia macam apa ni, kilat apa. Aku tak tahu aku buat apa ni. Aku letak je. Okay, kita akan main satu. Okay, malam ni aku main satu match ke. Okay. Okay. Okay, mari kita mula game.
So we're off. Which way will this game go?
Tak adalah perlu banyak main ni.
Neymar.
Kita kena pandai.
This is good stuff. Modric. That's good work by the defense. Just offside. It's with the defender now.
Tak dapat bola tu.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Modric, and he's won it back for his team. Good interception. The assist
Messi.
shoots.
Goal.
This is a
Yes, cantik lah.
So the ending goals come from the man himself. Manager will be pleased he's on the score sheet today. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond, Tony? And he's back in possession.
Aduh, kenapa aku lagi bola? Okay. Dapat bola
Get it
ni.
away. Neymar.
Ya Allah.
They have the ball again. Now it's Pogba.
Okay, Messi.
Well, that player's not happy with that decision, but he did seem to slightly offside.
Okay, pas.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Alah.
Well taken by the goalkeeper.
Kenapa aku selalu main 6-0 ni? Kenapa aku
Good
tak
interception.
buat kuncinya? Aku dah 3 lah kadang. Ya Allah, apa yang tak nampak ni? Bodoh lah.
Well intercepted. Hoisted upfield now. And he stayed onside.
Aduh, nak pergi sepak. Okay, buat tengah balik.
And it's with the captain. Oh, and dispossessed there. Half time. A chance for the
Kraftan
managers
kick.
to do their work.
1-0. Okay.
So the referee blows a whistle and the second half is underway. Tony, he showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Is Castan, and that's lofted upfield. Messi, what a well-timed tackle.
Aduh.
Oh, and
Aduh,
dispossessed
kenapa
there.
pemain aku ni lembab semacam?
Oh, well intercepted. Want to add to
Penat
their
ke?
lead here.
Tengah.
Neymar. Well cut out.
Belok lah skill. Sampai.
Oh, he did really well.
Aduh, apa
Back
salah?
on the ball. Not a good decision
Apa
there.
pasal kau
This
ni?
could cost his team. Oh, determined challenge there.
Dia gila akhirnya.
Off his head. Not a good decision. Oh, and it's hit the bar. Good interception. And he's won it back for his team.
Apa aku cuba buat ni? Asal dia bawa ke belakang. Gila.
Oh, determined.
Peluang.
Confident goalkeeping
Okay,
there.
tak dapat.
Forward from the keeper. It's a great tackle by Castan. Long ball there.
Aduh.
The team swap possession again. Neymar.
Gol.
Here's the shot. And this is a
Yes.
world-class finish.
Lagi. Aku nak dapat 3 lah. 3, 4, 5.
Scored 2-0. The next goal will prove to be decisive. Determined challenge there.
Asal
Neymar.
aduh, kejar lah bola tu.
What a well-timed tackle. They're appealing. Neymar shot.
Gol. Yes. Cantik lah memang.
His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. He'll be pleased with putting his team 3-0 up today. Commanding performance from this team. Tony. They have the ball again. Messi.
Oi, asal tak ambil bola tu? Tolong.
Oh, determined challenge there. Oh, that was close.
Masih gol.
Oh, it's a great
Yes.
chance.
Gol.
That is a fantastic goal. It's emphatic as they add yet another goal to their tally.
Okay.
It's 4-0.
Berapa minit saja lagi?
Well read. Messi.
Satu lagi. Aduh.
Dispossessed
Aku dah gelicik dah. Bola tu.
They have the ball again.
Okay.
Will be glad to hear the final whistle.
4-0 yang
Match
kita
is
mampu.
ended 4-0 with some quality attacking football on display.
Okay, Lionel Messi itu dia man of the match. Okay.
100%, and the man of the match award is well deserved.
Okay, kita total shoot 6, dia kosong. Shoot on target kita 4, dia kosong. Corner kita dapat 1 tadi. Tak gol tadi. Katanya boleh gol tadi. Tak tahu kenapa tak boleh gol. Pass completion. Okay, aku 75% saja. Foul tak ada, yellow card tak ada. Okay. Okay, kita continue. Okay, dia aku tak kisah duit sebab aku hack. Ush. Ada secret player dah. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh. Cantik lah. Mungkin aku akan tukar formasi. Aku 4-4-2. Aku bagi 3 strike ke atas tu. Aku akan buat ni kot menarik. 4-1-2-3. Okay. Tadi ada Messi. Ronaldo. Kat sini. Okay. Okay, cantik lah. Kita akan edit. Ni kan. Dia kan roll. Okey, kapten aku bagi semestinya Messi. Okey, penalti aku nak bagi free kick semestinya Ronaldo sebab dia kan back free kick. Dan aku bagi Neymar ni untuk penalti. Left corner aku bagi dia kena jam di sini. Dan tadi lagi ni. Ini aku kata sini. Okey, itu saja. Aduh, kenapa aku banyak circle aku nak buang. Milan ni terpower. Kita nak tengok. Ronaldo ni kita bagi ke. Kita jelah. Aku nak dekat sini. Ni aku nak JP juga. Saya nak tanya ni. Aku tak kisah sebab aku hack. Aku punya striker ni. Wih. Dia mana ni sebab dia power. Okay. Okay ni. Sekejap, keeper tak ada power. Aku nak cari ni pemain ni. Sekejap, tak ada tag ke. Kalau aku nak tag. Aku nak try cari Pele ke kalau ada. Okay, tak tahu. Okay. Okay, so itu saja untuk episod kali ni. Aku harap korang enjoy dengan episod ni. Okay, sekarang ni dah Ramadan ke. Okay, malam ni dah masuk Ramadan yang ke. Okay, sekarang ni kan dah masuk Ramadan yang ke berapa ke 29. Lebih kurang tu. Ini okay. Okay, Jumaat. Dah masuk Jumaat. Okay, sekarang Jumaat. Dan esok puasa satu lagi. Dan malam ni tarawih akhir. Esok satu lagi puasa. Dan lusa kita akan raya. Yeah. Okay, Assalamualaikum dan selamat menyambut Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Assalamualaikum dan bye.